Next, we will show you how to set up the unit. Remove the hose ring of the diverter which you have attached to the faucet. Insert the hose ring into the white water supply hose. Attach the hose to the branch plug. Fix it tight with the hose ring. Connect the gray secondary water hose to the secondary water stand and fix it to the kitchen sink by the suction pad. Plug in the power cord and press the power button.
Power on. Kangen water 9.5.
Press the reset button inside the water filter cover.
Filter reset.
The process is now complete. For more information, please see the operation manual.